This is Zaro, and it claims it can give you AI transformation in a box, where your context, your agents, and your apps all live in one connected workspace instead of 15 different logins. In today's video, I'm testing exactly that. I'll show you the pricing, build an AI agent from a single prompt, and give you my final verdict. Let's get into it. So what actually is Zaro? Most of us run our business across disconnected tools, a CRM, cloud storage, and separate AI chatbots that forget everything the moment you close the tab. Zaro's idea is simple. Put everything into one shared workspace where your files, AI agents, and apps all share the same memory. Instead of explaining your business every session, the system remembers and builds on previous work. This is built for solopreneurs, consultants, agencies, and operators managing client notes, CRM data, and repetitive workflows. If you're only looking for a chatbot to write captions, this probably isn't the tool for you. Let's talk pricing. Zaro offers a free sandbox plan with free credits and no credit card required. The paid sandbox plan starts at $19 per month with 8,000 credits, shared across your whole team with no per seat pricing. If you need more, top-ups start at $45 for 20,000 credits, and they roll over for 12 months. Above that is Enterprise with custom pricing. Now let's build something. I'm going to create an AI agent that reads client call notes and turns them into a structured follow-up brief with action items, decisions, owners, and renewal dates. On the home screen, Zaro organizes everything into workspace categories like finance, HR, product, design, and operations. The sidebar contains chat, apps, templates, agents, workflows, and files. Inside chat, I click the plus button, upload my client call notes, and type this prompt. Read my client call notes file and create a follow-up brief with action items, owners, decisions made, and flag any renewal or deadline dates. Before sending, there are a few useful settings. The Act mode lets the AI immediately complete the task, while Plan first outlines what it's going to do. There's also a thinking toggle that allows the model to spend more time reasoning through complex tasks. I'll leave it on Act, enable thinking, and hit send. After a few seconds, Zaro produces a structured follow-up brief with the call date, attendees, decisions made, action items, owners, and the renewal date extracted directly from my notes. This is where it impressed me. It's not just summarizing the document. It's pulling structured information that can actually be used in a workflow. Before creating a permanent agent, I upload the same file into the Workspace Files section so future agents can reference it. Now I open the Agents tab and choose Create New. Instead of immediately creating something, Zaro asks what type of agent I want. It offers scheduled task, task topic, or workflow. I select Scheduled Task, describe what I want the agent to do, and Zaro asks follow-up questions like where the generated reports should be saved. Rather than assuming anything, it confirms each step before finishing the setup. Once completed, the new agent appears in my agent list. From now on, every call note I upload can automatically generate and save a follow-up brief without repeating the prompt. Next, let's look at apps. Inside the Apps section, I create a new app. Again, Zaro asks what kind of app I want to build instead of making me configure everything manually. I describe a dashboard that tracks client action items, decisions, and renewal dates pulled directly from the follow-up briefs my agent creates. After about a minute, the app is ready. The dashboard already contains summary cards, client information, action items, decisions, deadlines, and an upcoming task section based on the same data I uploaded earlier. This is where Zaro really stands out. Instead of stopping at an AI response, it turns that response into an actual application connected to your workspace. In terms of speed, generating the follow-up brief took around 5 to 10 seconds, while building the dashboard took about a minute. I noticed one small UI delay when loading a folder selector, but nothing that interrupted the workflow. For ease of use, I'd place Zaro in the beginner to intermediate category. Creating your first working agent is straightforward because everything is prompt-based instead of relying on drag-and-drop workflow builders. Let's run through pros and cons. Pros. First, the shared memory system is genuinely different. Your files, agents, and apps all draw from one workspace instead of resetting every session. Second, the one-prompt agent creation is legitimately fast and produced clean, structured output on the first try. Third, pricing is per organization, not per seat, which is a real win if you've got a small team. Fourth, going from a chat answer to a live, connected app in the same workspace is a standout feature I haven't seen packaged this cleanly elsewhere. Cons. First, there's no lifetime deal, and the jump from sandbox straight to custom-quoted enterprise pricing leaves a gap for growing teams. Second, credit-based pricing means your cost isn't fully predictable until you've used it a while. Heavier automations and bigger files will burn credits faster. Third, some governance features like SSO and audit logs are enterprise only, so smaller users testing the tool won't see the full security layer Zaro talks about on their site. So, my final verdict on Zaro. This is a strong pick for consultants, small agency owners, and operators who are tired of AI chats that forget everything and want that context turned into real, standing automation and internal tools. It's not the cheapest option if you're running large volumes of data through it, and the credit model takes a little getting used to. But the one-prompt agent build combined with the shared workspace memory is a genuinely useful approach I don't see replicated well elsewhere. I'm giving Zaro 4.3 out of 5 stars. I'd recommend starting on the free sandbox plan to test it against your own workflow before committing to a paid tier. Thanks for watching this Zaro review. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Don't forget to check out the next video, and I'll see you there.